Hello and welcome to Family Freeze Raiders Part 2. This episode is gonna be on my cousin Cookie's fridge. Uh, I'm staying here for the weekend, so I might as well take a look at his fridge. Oh my god! Oh my god! All right, let's start with the normal door. We have some McDonald's mustard, ketchup, half a red onion. It's going over here. We're gonna pile them up. You know how it is, the family. Some mayo, just a lot of packets. Some mustard, Hellman's mustard. We got some more mustard for hot dogs. High in sodium. Mayo, McDonald's packets of mayo. Oh my god, we got half a lemon. The peel of an avocado. Ooh. Like the head of a carrot. And another head of a carrot. We got some beer, special beer. We got some what is this? I got no idea. I guess it's beer, but I'm not sure. There's this bag. Just like little sweets in here, I guess. Like healthy stuff. Oh my god, they also have it. I didn't know. Oh my god. Some yogurt in a packet. Hellman's mayo, light, because you gotta take care of yourself. Bottle of water. So yeah, that's the door. Be right back.